Alright, Sunday, we're out at Peaky Finders. There's loads of us here today. Look at that field. They haven't finished baling it, so there's still an area over the far side. Here with the wife, and we're both using the NOX 900s today. Enjoy and see at the first hole. Alright, first hole. Okay, so you got the volume there coming through. It's just a bit of lead, just a small bit of lead. Well, it's jumping around 68 up to 78. Out straight away. Grounds are rock hard. Oh, got a coin. Got a coin. You got a coin. Second hole in. Can't quite make out what it is. Big legends around it. It's quite thick. Yeah, coin's a coin. Oh, bloody ring pull. Ah, just a ring pull. Right, my wife got a cheeky face on her today. What you found?
I don't know, what's this?
Possible mount of some sort. Possible horse mount. Might have been a seal of some sort, but I think that was a horse mount of some stage. Well done, congratulations.
Thank you.
No worries. Oh, it's just there anyway, so what I'll do is I'll get back. Alright, there it is. A bit of plough. Absolutely gutted. Oh, and there's a bloody great hole. So, how far down? 10, 18 inches down for a bit of plough. Never mind. Right, I didn't even see. There's the hole. And down here, there's the coin. Throwing it out. Bit toasted. Yeah, very toasted. It's lead. I think it's a lead token. It was a 53, 55. I think it's a token of some sort. Yep. Lead token. Is that an M? Or is it a 3? I think it's an M. Oh, there you go. What's it say? 4M. I'm not even going to bother to straighten that out. That's a 4 and an M. There you go. A 4 and an M, or it might be an A and an M. But yeah, lead token. Happy days. It's a 50 cal. 50 caliber. Should have guessed really when I thought it was up in the 90s. But yeah, 50 cal bullet. Right, I've got an 18. It's part of a buckle. It's part of a buckle. Got a little pistol shot. Happy with that. And now my wife is just laughing at her face off at me. And she's got her first coin of the day. So let's go up to her. Well done, congratulations. Let's have a look.
Half penny.
1862. Look at that black patina. Queen Victoria. Little bunhead. Well done.
Merci.
Congratulations. Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Could be a 50 cal. Numbers have gone quite high now. Oh no, it's not. It's another coin. Another coin. Not going to be able to make out what that is. Give it a little bit of a squirt just to see if I can see anything. That'll be a no. No, nothing visible at all, but a coin's a coin. I would say it's a draw handle. It's definitely not a buckle. I would say it's a draw handle. Yeah, it's a draw handle. Yeah. Thought as much. A 50 cal. Very interesting. I just got a shoe. Come up as a 2021 rather. A friend of mine in Norfolk. He got a Roman foot. That's weird. Now just got a shoe out of there. Have a little look around, see if there's any other bits for it. Never know. Happy with that. I'm putting you on just in case. I'm pretty sure that that's what it is. 29.30. Oh, it's a bloody button. It's a button. I thought when it was on that way round that was going to be a pendant of some sort, but no, it's a button. Oh well, never mind. There you go, 4-hole button. Right, point of depth. We've just got a coin, I think. Yep, pointer down. So these ones are 8, 9, these are 10 inches deep. And who is that? I think that's going to be another George, I think. George the second, George the third, something like that. So yeah, another coin. Yeah, I'm going to say it's George, probably George the second, going by the condition of that. Could be a George the third, but it's definitely going to be one of them. Yep, another coin, toasted.